Hello everyone, I'm Mustaqim. I'm going to present today's TechX session on layout builder overview and custom layout implementations. Uh, to begin with, let me share my screen. Uh, let's start with an introduction of layout builder functionality in Drupal, and we will be covering this topic. So first of all, layout builder, uh, which the layout builder module allows content editors and site builders to create visual layout for displaying content. It provides the ability to drag and drop uh, site-wide blocks and content fields into region within a given layout. So layout builder in Drupal core consists of two modules, layout builder itself and layout discovery. First module allows user to add and arrange blocks in drag and drop functionality. And layout discovery allows users to register new layouts from backend programmatically. So let's start with this, installing these two modules in our local environment. So start with, we will add these two modules, which I have already enabled. And we will be seeing on this article content types. So we will go to the manage display and enable layout builder options and save the content type. So after that, it will show the default layout uh, in this kind of structure where we can add uh, sections and blocks uh, to display the content. After that, the layout builder functionality contains two main concepts, which is sections and blocks. Sections are like containers. A section can hold as many as blocks that we want. And blocks are the type of content. It can be anything. It can be a field, a custom block, a basic block created with Drupal UI, and anything content related we can add through the blocks. After that, there are two main functions of core functionality of layout builder. One is layout default. Layout defaults are those default layouts which are applied to all the nodes uh, of a single content type when we enable the layout builder module in managed display. So let's check out another. Let's enable this and change the default layout of the article content type that we have. So after that, this was the default layout we were having. We will remove it and we will add a two-column layout. And I will set it as 6733 and add a new layout from this. So here we have this layout and we will be adding the content type fields here. And in second section, we will add an image and the tabs. So we are currently defining layout defaults for all the nodes in the article content type. When we save the layout, It will apply to all the nodes of articles. We can check that here. So as you can see, we have changed the default layout to two column section, and we can see the node itself as we designed. So this is about layout defaults. Now we will see about layout overrides. Layout overrides is the concept where we want each and every node to have its own layout, and it makes it possible by overriding the default layout that we just set to each and every node. So let's check out this. For this to enable, we will have to enable this option, allow each content item to have its layout customized. After that, we will be overriding a particular node's layout. Let's see. You can see I have saved it, and I will edit this node. So in the top tabs, you can see there is the extra tab, which is called layout. And it is the same layout that we have set earlier. Now we will add one more section here. And we will add the recent articles which are updated recently. We will add that block here. So we are only adding this block on this node. It will not apply to every node for this content type. So let's check. Save the layout. So this block is available here. Now we will check another node of the same content type. So as you can see, that block is not visible here. So this is how we can override a particular node's layout, uh, and it can be done by layout builder. So next, there are a lot of additional modules to enhance the layout builder functionalities, and we will be seeing two of them modules. So this first one is layout builder restriction. It what does it do? Like it set which blocks and layouts that we want to restrict on a particular content type. After that, we have a layout builder model. It allows us to use a model functionality by using a layout builder, and we can add models through layout builder. We don't have to use any custom jQuery or JS for that. After that, we have Bootstrap Layout Builder. It adds the grid support and graphical styling options to the Layout Builder module. Basically, it provides a extension kind of thing uh, to uh, uh, to enhance the functionality of Layout Builder. And after that, we have Chaos Tool Suite. It's like commonly known as C Tools. It is widely used module, and we can use this module to add different view modes to particular view mode of a content type. So we'll be seeing a layout builder restrictions module first. So let's check it out. So this is the module, and we will install it in our in our local environment. As you can see, I have already installed. Okay. So now we have this basic page content type, and we'll check manage display. So this layout options, this default restrictions for new categories sections were not there. Layout builder restrictions modules enables this functionality to restrict some contents for some content type. So let's check out, and we will set the custom layout, the layout to this basic page content type. This is the functionality. We will allow only specific layouts to the basic page content type, only one column and two column, and we will save this. Now we will check the layout of this module or this content type. And when you will add a new section, it will only show those two uh, layouts that we have selected earlier. So this module or layout builder restrictions allows us to restrict this to perform this kind of implementation that can be used in various ways. After that, we will be using a C tools module. Chaos tool suite, as we have used many times. It is from Drupal 7. And in this category, we will be using this module to add a particular layout, uh, particular view mode that we have created into another view mode of a content type. So let's install the module as I have already installed it. Now, what we'll do, we have this basic page, home page, and we will add a banner image on only this particular node. So here you can see there are only two view modes are available. So let's add one more named banner. I have added a custom field, uh, an extra field of image for that particular view mode. We will be adding this view mode for content. We will enable this view mode in manage display. As you can see, there are still two of the view modes are available. So we will add banner and save the manage display. So now you can see the banner is available to configure. We will have only banner image field in this, and we will hide all other field. Let's check. So in the default view mode, we are using the layout builder, not in the banner view mode. We are using web banner view mode to add only the banner image. Now we will manage the layout. And here, as we can see, it is one column layout. We will add one more section on top of the page. First, we will only add this to home page. So we will extensively edit that page's layout only. So here, as you can see, we have body and links field. We will add one column layout here. And we will add one more block into that section. And we will use this entity view content. This is provided by Chaos Tool Suite module, Tools, and we will be using this block to add another view mode that we just created. We will select banner here and we will add. So as you can see, the default, the banner view mode applies it here, and the banner image is now visible. So this is how you can use the Chaos Tool Suite, and we will check another pages where we don't have that particular banner image. So next, this is also layout builder view modes pattern that we just see that we developed using Tools module. Now we will define a custom layout uh, with backend, and there are several ways to do it. And the most simplest way is to use layouts.yml file. You can create a layout with the tweak template. You can use the theme hook as well to create layouts, and you can use the classic old way of PHP class with annotations. So now let's check this out. So I have already created a custom module for that, and this is my modules info YML. We will add a layout file, layouts.yml file, and all these keys are compulsory to create one layout. For example, we are adding here 1+4 grid section, and every key uh, is a must label path for the layouts template, and mention here that you are defining this into your own custom module layouts folder, and then 1+4 grid underscore section. So this will be your layout path template. The template file of html.twig, we will not define its extension here, and the library, the custom library that we will use to add CSS for particular this layout. Category, we can add custom grid. Default region, we will add first, and icon map. So here, icon map is a visual image of the layout that we see in layout builder section. Uh, for example, two column layout. So it shows us that those two columns. So in this, the first array, the second array. So every array defines a row, and every word defines a region. So here you can see the first is mentioned two times. So the first layout will be the long one, and we will have four another short regions. And after that, this region key, we will define the labels, and we can use these regions in our template file. So next, we will add a custom library to support our design of this layout. So I have created already a section CSS file, and I have added the CSS here. It is related to this four grid group. After that, we will add layout template file. And here, as you can see, this content dot first content is a variable that we have, and we can render the every region content by defining its region name content dot first. I have set the conditions according to the custom layout, that how that we want to render it, and assign the classes. So there are 5 sections, 5 regions we have. Now we will use this custom layout to add in our particular any node. So we have this node and we will be adding this layout here. So as we can see, our custom layout is showing here, and as we defined it, the first region is long and all the 4 regions are short, as we defined in the custom layouts.yml file. So we will add this custom layout section, and as you can see, you can add any content you want from the fields or the custom blocks as well. So that's all from my side today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Hi guys, thank you for watching. I had an amazing time learning all the new things here at SpecBees TechX. And if you did too, do let us know in the comments below. Keep following SpecBee for the latest trends in technology. See you in the next one.